Hey guys, so this is going to be a video that's going to explain to you how to do our first cutout, in this case for notes number 2 on the Constitution. First of all, you should have got a picture from me on Remind that shows you what the outside is supposed to look like, and then you should have got one that shows you what the inside is supposed to look like, all right? So what this is going to be kind of like a review of notes number 2. And as you can see, there is section 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the titles of each one of those sections. And if you see here on the notes, there's section 1, Ideas for the American Constitution. So the section here is basically going to be all of this right here. Then section 2 and 3, then section 4. And if we flip the page, you got section 5, the Great Compromise, and then the compromise wins out. So see, Great Compromise, compromise wins out. All right, so this is how you're gonna fill out the outside. Now again, because these two are short, we put them together. Now this is gonna be a cutout because you're gonna have the little flaps here like this, but don't do that to the very end when you are done. All right, so when you open it like this, you're gonna see that on the first one, the Ideas of the American Constitution, I'm gonna ask you for 3 bullet points. Now what is a bullet point? It is a main idea, and it should be in a complete sentence. So you see the dashes, 1, 2, 3. So how do you get the 3 main ideas here? So you look back over here at section 1, Ideas for the American Constitution, and you look at what you discussed here, what you T forward, what you discussed with a partner, and then you discuss with me, and you figure out what are the 3 most important ideas from here, and then you write them 1, 2, 3, all right? And the writing should go from here all the way up to here. So the way you divide it is you're going to put a line right down the middle of the second half. So you see how this is the second half when you fold it in half? You draw a line down the middle. So 3/4 is for writing, 1/4 of the paper is for that picture. And then for section 2 and 3, America's First Constitution States Rebellion, which are 2 and 3, you're going to write 2 bullet points, 2 main ideas, 1, 2. And then for the next one, which is changes needed, 1, 2, 3. Great Compromise, 1, 2. Compromise wins out, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's 13 main ideas that are going to be written in complete sentences. Then you got to do a picture, and the picture needs to be drawn by hand. Don't care about color. It doesn't have to be beautiful. Stick figures with the little thought bubbles on top is fine. What you're trying to tell me is, out of these 3 that you already wrote, you're going to choose the one that you think is the most important bullet point out of the 3, and you're going to draw it here. And again, stick figures is completely fine. And then you're going to take the 2 that you already wrote, so you already have them here, and then you're going to choose the most important and draw it here. Out of these 3, you draw 1. Out of these 2, you draw 1. Out of these 3, you draw 1. So overall, you're going to take all of notes number 2 and you're going to shrink it down to 13 main ideas. And then you take the 13 main ideas and then you're going to shrink it down to the 5 most important pictures. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day.